Hello world, this is Michael, LBC Fishing Lessons. Today we're going to be talking about reels, and specifically the gear ratio of a reel. Or some people just say, what is the reel ratio? You see sometimes on the packaging the numbers that may not make sense to you. It might say 5 to 1 or 5.2 to 1 or 20 to 1, whatever the ratio may be. If you don't understand that, this is a basic video to explain that. So let's talk about the ratio. Let's say 6.2 to 1. That's what this reel happens to be. This is a Shimano Trinidad 16A. So the 6.2 to 1. The 1 refers to the rotation of the handle. One time 360 degrees. Back from the starting point, back to the starting point. That's the 1 rotation. 6.2, that's referring to the spool. The rotation of the spool, how many times the spool will spin, the frequency, if you will. So it's 6.1 or 6.2 to 1. All right, so we'll demonstrate this by showing you. Okay, so let's start it off. Let's start it off with the handle right here, level with the gear. You can see that the knot of the braid is connected to a rubber band right there. So that's where we're going to count it from, right there and right here. So as I rotate the handle one time, we're going to count how many times the spool rotates to that point. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, I'm not quite even with the lever. Right there's your 6.2 to 1. So that explains the ratio of a gear to your reel, 6.2 to 1. I have this other reel here. This is an old Penn Jigmaster Squitter. I've had this for over 20 years. And I don't remember what the ratio is on this, so let's figure this one out together. So I'm going to try to set it up to where I can get a starting and stopping point. Okay, right there. You see how it's coming together? Okay, so right here is our tag end and our rubber band. Straight across is our handle. All right, so let's do this. Oh, maybe it didn't. Okay, hold on. Let's try this again. Hold on. It's kind of loose in there. Okay, let's start right there. There it was. See that? This one might be a little trickier. Okay, so right. All right. It's a little windy. Wind's blowing it a little bit here. Okay. All right, here we go. Actually, let me bring the handle around to the lever. Okay, there it is right there. I don't know where the rubber band is at, but yeah, we got to see where the rubber band's at to make this work. Okay, right there, right on top, just like what I originally said. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess it's about a 4.5 to 1. So that's how you can test and understand your reel ratio, your gear ratio. So it's 1 flotation of the handle equals the ratio or the frequency of the spool. 1 rotation of the handle, 1.62. 1 to 6.2. All right, thank you for watching.